Alrighty, good morning everybody. This is Tyler from Dailey Drone, and I'm just going to go through a really quick demonstration here. This is a picture of my house, excuse my yard. I'm a car guy, so I have a lot of car junk laying around. However, this is only about 41 photos, which is not very many. On a normal job, I would probably aim to do 1 to 200 photos. And most of these photos were from about 94 feet or so, and you can get much better higher resolution photos when you have lower elevation. So this is really just a quick flight I did yesterday when we were in between storms, just to kind of give you guys something to look at. However, the 3D view doesn't really give us a lot of data. You can see that the measurements I've already taken do account for the slope. So let's move to the ortho view here. This is a 2D view, and you can see that there's regions here. So we can kind of round these up. These are pretty good estimations of how large my roof is. And you can see on the left over here we have our 2D space, so that is just the roof itself, and then the 3D space above it as well, which we don't want. As well as that, we have boundary elevation, so I can go along here, and anywhere along that elevation or that roof that I'm measuring, I can see how the elevation is changing. And that's a little difficult to pinpoint on a video, so I already got some screenshots here. So at 8 feet along the boundary, we're at 17.19, and then at 9.02, we're at 17.73. So that gives us a rise of about 0.54. So we know it's a 6 to 12 roof, 75% pitch. Pretty close estimation on that. So I'm really hopeful that this kind of data will be able to streamline your guys' workflow, and I'm hope that I can deliver these quotes at a cheaper price than sending a couple guys in a truck out. I can come out and get these photos in the same day even, if the weather's good. So I really hope that this is something that we can work together with. Thank you very much for your time, you guys.